Can a homemade ant killer mix be effectively used on large outdoor ant mounds? For large outdoor infestations, start by identifying the species and mound structure because some ants, like fire ants, require different handling than garden ants. Make baits by combining sweet attractants such as honey or syrup with a slow-acting insecticide alternative like boric acid at a light concentration, so foraging workers carry it back to the colony. Place multiple bait stations around the perimeter and near foraging trails rather than on top of the mound so more workers encounter the bait and transport it into deeper chambers. Disturb the mound gently to stimulate foragers to leave and locate the bait, but avoid heavy excavation, which can fragment the colony and create satellite nests. Repeat baiting every 24 to 48 hours for at least 1 week or until foraging activity visibly drops to near zero, then continue monitoring for another 2 weeks and reapply if new activity appears. Use protective gear and keep bait away from pets and children, and consider wetter weather will dilute sweet baits, so refresh stations after rain. 3 common mistakes are using fast-acting poisons or heavy concentrations that kill visible workers quickly but do not allow transfer to the queen and brood, which fails to eliminate the colony. Instead, use slow-acting, low-concentration baits and persistence. A second mistake is placing baits directly on the mound surface where too much heat or moisture makes them unattractive. Place multiple small stations on trails and shaded edges so more foragers find them. A third mistake is excavating or flooding the mound to force ants out, because that can cause colonies to split and spread. Disturb gently only to increase forager traffic and rely on repeated baiting until activity stops. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share practical tips and real experience about DIY pest control and larger remediation projects. We help homeowners find contractors and help contractors find work while fostering conversation among neighbors and professionals.